Hi, it's Tommy here again, the writer of the book, The Explorational Journeys Part 1 and Self-Help Guide. We're at our last activity for this chapter, which is I Realize I'm Enough. And it is regarding two strengths of self-acceptance. Activity 8. I am enough journal. Goal: reaffirming your beliefs in your interesting worth. Steps: start a journal dedicated to moments when you feel proud, capable, and content. Step 2: write one entry each day. Focus on the experience, thought, or action that affirms you are enough. Step 3: review these entries weekly to reflect on your growth and strength. Reflection: how does documenting your worth transform your self-perceptions? So, yes, you are enough and I am enough. So don't forget to click like and subscribe at the bottom, and it'll be great to hear from you soon.